another video, guys. Pretty straightforward one. Got this B18C 2 EK. Getting some valve lash done before he goes and gets it tuned. Gonna dump the oil and all that stuff too. Give it a good check over, see what's wrong, because Honda, something's gonna be wrong. Yeah, let's get into it. Now I need to let it cool down. Just drove it up the drive, nothing too major, but for valve lash you gotta have a cool engine. So I'll let it cool down. I'll take the rocker cover off so it's got, you know, ventilation cools out much faster. While I do that, I'll have a look over the car, probably actually jump into the ECU and see if he's got the IABs deleted. The C2 have the clamshell manifold which has the extra butterflies, and this doesn't have it. When you start it, runs like a bag of shit. And yeah, see if it's the IABs trying to be IABs when they're not actually there. Have a quick squiz around at that, and then we'll do the valve lash. I'll just run over what I'm doing. So you notice I took out the vac box for the IACV, no, not the IACV, for the IABs. There's also some cruise control stuff that was still routed in there and kind of wired up as well. Generally, rule of thumb is don't tee your fuel pressure regulator off anything. Direct vacuum source is always best. So that's what I've done. I'm removing those vacuum lines. I'm going to get rid of that charcoal canister. Come around to this side. We're going to get rid of, there's another vacuum box way down in there. I'm going to pull that out because that's just clutter. I also noticed that this here, the boot is getting stuck on the throttle, causing irregular throttle. So I'm going to actually cut that off because it has already split this end. That should, oh no, that is, it's already broken. Better to not have it than have it jam on the throttle, so we'll cut that off, and that should alleviate that. Should also alleviate that vacuum leak as well. Go through and get rid of all that stuff, and other than that, seems pretty alright. Just a quick clean up, do the things I can while it cools down, and then move on to the next thing. Our piles are, well, piling up. A few bits and pieces out now. Got the evap purge, all that crap is out. Blocked off the appropriate nipples there. I'll see if I've got some caps for that because that just doesn't look very tidy. Now, one thing I noticed as well is, not sure if you can see that, but that's the starter live wire, so that goes straight to the battery. And behind that is the starter signal wire, which is a positive 12 volt signal from the ignition. So that starts the car. That gives the starter solenoid the signal to kick over and go. So what I can see here is that they're about a millimeter apart and they aren't insulated. So on a nice rainy day or something, if you get enough water in there, or if something like a bolt, you leave a bolt up here and that falls in there, God forbid one falls in there when you're not near the car and it's in gear, she's taken off. So that needs to come off, be insulated. Come around this side here. That's a little bit loose. That's a little lot loose. And we got some interesting wiring going on here as well, so I'll tidy that up. We'll have a look at the timing as well. I'll do the timing before it leaves, just in case, make sure that's all above par. All the fluids seem alright. I mean, alright for anyone else's car. I like to have them pretty pristine. And you saw I pulled all of the old cruise control stuff out as well. There was a mild vacuum leak out of a small canister down there, and I'll pull all that wiring back through the dash to tidy that up as well. Move the brackets around, tuck the wiring back in there like it should be. So I'll do this battery stuff, jump in the car, see what's in the ECU, and then we'll come and do the valve lash, which I absolutely loathe. What is going on, guys? Probably just skip through all the crap that I just done, rock cover and everything. Oh dude, this thing doesn't have a gas gauge. Oh no. It's really hard to get into gears as well. Loosey goosey. Alright, we just done a Hondata install. I'm gonna take her for a quick squirt around and see how she does. Hopefully not run out of gas. Stop that video. Okay, so now we're gonna air codes. Oh, gone. Back to tables. And let's see if it's a little bit more alive. That is it for this video, guys. The car is performing and is much healthier than before. Definitely starts and idles a lot nicer, and she pulls a lot harder too. Thank you for watching. Chuck us a like and subscribe. That'll help us out. And yeah, this is just a little outro of just detailing the bait, getting it nice and schmick for the customer. And yeah, enjoy.